I'm going to go through a quick little video on what is roll center. A lot of people know Whiteline for roll center and bump steer correction kits, but a lot of people also don't know what it is and what it does and what it affects. So basically, roll center affects the way the car handles. It does it on a few different levels. You've got roll center and you've got bump steer. If you think about it in layman's terms, you've got a tire. It's from up here, it's easy to push over. From down there, you can't push it over. So basically, when you want to correct roll center, you need to change the geometry of the front end. We do that with the use of things like this ball joint. It gives us an extended pin, which changes the angle of your control arm and stops the way the tire rolls over on the outsides of the car. Take that back to a bump steer kit. Bump steer changes over the amount of travel of your suspension, which obviously affects your toe in, toe out, which gives you the bump steer. Again, we correct that by changing the length of the pin on this tie rod, and that gives us a change in the bump steer and the toe angles over the course of the suspension travel. So that's a simple overview of roll center and bump steer. For more info, head to our website.